Hey guys, I got a piece of history for y'all. Be right back. Three students. And roll over, so rub my belly. Everybody. Oh. Hey everybody. I got a new wood project. I've already I made a mistake and didn't record the cleaning of this right here. This is going to be a mantle in a house over top of fireplace. I've got this side done. This came out of a log cabin that was built in I think it said 1820, and you can tell they did. Well, it's still got the tongue and groove on it, and it had almost 200 years of yuck on it, and I got it cleaned up. This side here is the bottom part, so it's not going to be seen that much, but I think it looks really good. But I'm sorry I didn't show you the cleaning part of it, and I didn't show you the other how it looked before I oiled it. But I'll flip it over and I'll show you the other side. I haven't done anything to it yet. But as soon as I get her flipped over, I'll bring it back and I'll show you how it's going to look. Alrighty, I got her flipped over, and you can see where the oil down at the bottom linked through, but that's alright. And I've already got one sand on it. I'm gonna do a little another light sanding and see if I can get it just a little bit slicker. But yep, this is one big piece of history right here. Just no telling how many people worked on it, or how long it took just to do this one board. As you can tell, it was done. See that where they did the axes, and where they actually planed it down with axes and stuff over there. But yeah, the tongue and groove again. This was a cabin that was built in the 1820s, and it was in Russellville, Kentucky. It was on a big farm, and it was in really bad shape. A lot of the wood didn't make it, so they tried to salvage as much as they could. And this is going to go on a fireplace that a friend of mine is working on, and he wanted me to do the mantle, and I think it's going to look good. But let me do the sanding, and I'm gonna try to go ahead and get it oiled. They don't want a shiny finish or nothing like that on it, but I think it's gonna be pretty. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I got it complete. It's really pretty, I think. This is gonna look really good on top of a stone fireplace. All I did was, I took it to the car wash and I pressure washed it. And I bring it in here and let it dry. You can hear the fans going right now. And did some light hand sanding on the whole thing. And then I cleaned it off with mineral spirits. Got the dust and everything out of the little cracks and crannies, and then I oiled it. And I don't know, some people probably won't like what I oiled it with, but I just oiled it with mineral spirits. mineral oil, mineral spirits. But yeah, I put mineral oil on it. You know, the stuff that you get from the drugstore or any store for in case you can't go, if you know what I mean. And it's a whole lot cheaper than buying a mineral oil for cutting boards, because it's like, I think it's like $8-9 a bottle, and this stuff is $2 a bottle, and it does, I think it does just as good. And they're not planning on eating off of this thing anyway. But here it is. I hope y'all enjoyed this right here, and if you would, if you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see y'all later. And don't forget to go over this to the new channel, Sapper Gardeners, and it's Ession Family Gardening, and I'll leave a link down below. See y'all later. Bye.